we just got finished doing another bathroom renovation for one of our clients. Check out this amazing before and after. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. All right, so what we're doing today is we're in the bathroom. We're redoing, there used to be a clawfoot tub here, but she didn't want that anymore. She just wanted a stand-up shower. So we are installing a stand-up shower and storage for her because they don't make pans smaller than at the dimensions that we need. We're just gonna make our own shower pan and custom shower pan and all the stuff. So the problem we're having right now is with the pipes. We're gonna have to rerun pipe because it's old, and there's a lot of stuff we gotta do. So right now we're trying to figure out where we're gonna place the shower and where we are going to put the wall. All right. Actually, you're gonna flip that up because that's for the pan. You just gonna put it there for dimension. I would prefer it right here. Is that too close? Relax and relax on the toilet.
I am relaxed on the toilet.
Okay.
I'm short, so
I know. That's what I'm saying. Shanae! Yeah, come here. Come sit on the toilet. Huh? Come sit on the toilet. This is weird. Yeah, come on. That's the whole point. I don't want you to be uncomfortable. I'm just trying to make sure you're not uncomfortable. Shut up. All right. Thank you very much. Here. So that's good. That's a good size. That'll be a good size. Let's mark the floor. We don't have it. We can bring the spray paint. All right. Figure it out. Stop to do this together.
You ready?
So, hey, don't say it like it's gonna happen.
No, what I'm saying is I'm gonna turn it on.
Let me know when you turn. I don't know. Okay.
You let us know, so we gonna know.
Come stand over here so you can hear me.
I feel like this is gonna be anticlimactic.
Why? What?
It's gonna be anticlimactic. I mean, smallest drip of water.
And hopefully it's no drip of water.
Turn it on.
Beautiful.
I hear it. Wait.
Oh shoot.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Oh.
Oh! Turn it off the other way. There you go.
I heard that boy traveling through the pipe.
Shut up.
She's on the way.
So we headed out.
Yes. Look how they are.
It came shooting out.
Yeah. Oh, look his head.
I had to alternate.
Alright, so you're gonna go, Isaiah. Alright, so listen. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the concrete and you're gonna pour a little bit toward the back. You're gonna go toward the back and then start smoothing it out toward the front. Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Not with your hand.
Not with your hand. That's what the trowels are for. So just pour a little bit. Yep. How many bags you mix, babe?
I was just half of one because I couldn't mix it.
That's good. Keep going. You need globs. You need the whole bucket. Try to smooth out the whole thing. Go ahead. Get on down there. Hold. Yeah, it's kind of small. You just smooth it. Push it down and smooth it out. And get on the other side of you so I can see. Yep. Push. Yep. Good job. Yes. Good job. Yep. Now, you're pushing too hard. You can push some towards this way. You don't want to make it too thin. Yep. You said what? Yeah, we need some down there, but it has to go at a slope. It has to be high over here and a little bit lower down there. But he needs some. First, we need to get some down there, and then we'll push back. All right, now.